Bahala na. Oh, way they go. Darlinghurst from the outside. Bahala na LGB. Security check from the outside. Loretta and Tricky Shirley's. Darlinghurst, LGB. Security check alongside. Bahala na is racing in fourth. Passing the half-mile post, Darlinghurst by a length and a half, followed by LGB. Security check, Bahala na in the middle. Rounding the far turn, Darlinghurst by a length and a half. Bahala na is now running in second by Darrell. As they race the final corner, Darlinghurst, Bahala na is running down on the inside. And nearing the last 200 meters more to run. Darlinghurst, Bahala na is by Darrell. But still Darlinghurst, Bahala na down on the inside. Bahala na, Darlinghurst on the outside once again. Bahala na, Darlinghurst. And finally, Bahala na. Darlinghurst, security check, Loretta, LGB. And Tricky Shirley's comes last.
Yan talaga eh, no?